Hello students, welcome to my next online video. So in this class we are going to practice few questions from the multiplication of matrices. If two matrices are given and we need to find the product of two matrices, so we will be using the row and column multiplication. In the board you see I have noted down here matrix A that is given by 1 2 0 4 and B matrix is 3 2 1 4. Both the order of the matrices is 2 cross 2. Right, now we need to find here AB, that means product of these two matrices. So A will be writing here 1 2 0 4 and B matrices is 3 2 1 4. This one we have to multiply, right? So multiplication will be row and column wise, that is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1, right? You see the direction of the arrow. We need to multiply this row and first column, right? Row 1 and column 1, that is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. Now similarly row 1 with column 2, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. So this row and second column. Next row we have to multiply with column 1, that means row 2 0 into 3 plus 4 into 1, right? 0 into 2 plus 4 into 4. So our resultant answer is 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 that is 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 8 that is 10, 0 into 3 0, 0 plus 4 that is 4 and 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 0 16, right? So this is our required answer. So you see the last answer which we got, that is also 2 cross 2. Now suppose we have one matrix that is P, right, and we have one matrix Q. Now the order of this matrix, if it is m cross n, and this matrix if it is n cross P, so the net answer which we will be getting, that has to be n cross P, right? So the column of first matrix must be equal to row of second matrix. If both are same, then only multiplication is possible, otherwise it is not. Okay, so you see n and n, that means column of first matrix is matching with the row of second matrix. If both are same, so the resultant matrix which we will be getting, that is m cross p. Let's compare with this. You see 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2, that means this and this is matching, right? Column of first and row of first is matching. So what should be our resultant answer? 2 cross 2. So 2 cross 2 is our answer. Okay, so we will solve few more questions, so this concept will be clear then. So one matrix we have 3 minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 10. So order of this matrix is 1 cross 2 and order of this matrix is 2 cross 1, right? You see column of first matrix is matching with row of first matrix, so 2 cross 2. So what will be the net answer? That will be the net order of the resultant answer, that has to be 1 cross 1. So we will apply again same row and column method. Here we have 3 and here minus 1, right? Row and column. So when you are multiplying here, 3 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into minus 10. Okay, so here you will get minus 6 minus minus plus 10, that is 10 minus 6, that is 4. You see, that is row 1 and column 1, that means only 1 row and 1 column. So this is our resultant answer. Okay, so similar type of questions, same method we can use in 3 cross 3, multiplication of 3 cross 3 matrices, and here two more questions I have noted down where we have to find the value of x. So one by one we will see. So I'll move to next question. Multiplication of 2 3 cross 3 matrices. The order of this matrix is also 3 cross 3 and order of this matrix is also 3 cross 3. Column of first matrix is matching with the row of second matrix. So you see column and row are matching, so the net answer which we will be getting, that has to be 3 cross 3, right? Now let's see how we have multiplied this one. So we have here row 1, row 2 and row 3, and we have column 1, column 2 and column 3. So the multiplication will be row column multiplication. That means first row R1 you need to multiply with C1, then C2, then C3, right? So when you are multiplying with C1, so we will be getting this one, right? So let's see. In row 1 we have 2, element 2 will be multiplied with 1, 2 into 1, plus when you are changing to next column, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3, right? So you see the direction of the arrow. I have multiplied row 1 with column 1 with all the elements. Now next turn, row 1 I need to multiply with column 2, that is 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0, right? See, row 1 with column 2. Now next, row 1 with column 3, that is 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5. Now after multiplying row 1 with column 1, column 2 and column 3, now next we have to multiply row 2 with column 1, then with column 2, then with column 3, right? So similarly you see 3 I multiplied with 1, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3, that is column 1 over 1. Now we need to multiply with column 2, that is 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0, right? Next row 2, that is 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5. So likewise we need to multiply row 1 with column 1, column 2, column 3, then with row 2 with all the columns, row 3 with all the columns. So we will be getting 9 elements. So after getting all the 9 elements, we will be solving like this. 2 into 1, 2, this is 0, this is 12, so 12 plus 2, 14. Next we have, this is 0, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 6, 0, 2 5 are 10, 10 plus 12 plus 20, that is 42. 3 plus 0 plus 15, that is 18. Here you will get minus 9 and here you will get 8. So minus 9 plus 8, that is minus 1. 15 plus 16 plus 25, that is 56. 4 plus 0 plus 9, that is 18, that is 22. And here minus 12 plus 10 plus 0, so you will get minus 2 and likewise 70. So this is how we multiply two matrices. Now matrix multiplication is possible only when column of first matrix is matching with the row of second matrix. That means if the orders are matching, then only multiplication is possible. If they are not matching, then multiplication is not possible, right? Like for example, we have one matrix here, 2 3 5 1 2 minus 1, and here 2 1 4 1 2 2, right? Now question is that, is this multiplication is possible? What is the order of this? That is 2 cross 3. What is the order of this? This is also 2 cross 3, right? That means 2 rows and 3 columns. Here 2 rows and 3 columns. You see, this and this is not matching. That means column of first matrix is not matching with the row of second matrix. As this is not possible, so this multiplication is not possible. So multiplication of two matrices are not possible, right? So this one we have to keep it in our mind. In the next question, we'll see that how to get the value of x. So in order to get the value of x, you see we have one question here. Find the value of x, x 7, and here we have 4x equals to 22. Okay, so this is the question. We need to get the value of x. So again, row 1 and column 1 multiplication. So when you multiply, you see already 1 equals to sign is there, so I will write here implies 2. Now x into 4, that is 4x, plus 7 into x, 7x, right? 22. So 4x plus 7x, that is 11x equals to 22. Now as the orders are same, you see, by equality of matrices, 11x equals to 22, 11 to the x value is 2. Okay, So you see what was the order? Order is here 1 cross 2, right? And what is the order here? 2 cross 1. So you see 2 and 2 it is matching. So what will be our resultant answer? 1 cross 1. So 1 cross 1, right? When we got 1 cross 1, now by equality of matrices we will get the value of x. Similarly, for other questions also, for calculation of x value, minus 2x4, and here we have x35 equals to 15, right? What is the order of this matrix? That is 1 cross 3. That means row 1 and column 3 columns. What is the order? First we will see for row, that is 3 cross 1. Now you see 3 cross 3, that is it is matching. Column of first matrix is matching with the row of second matrix, as they are matching, so this multiplication is possible. Row column multiplication, already 1 equals to sign is there, that's why implies 2. Minus 2 into x plus x into 3 plus 4 into 5, right, equals to 15. So here we will get 3x minus 2x, that is x, plus 20 equals to 15. But now by equality of matrices, x plus 20 equals to 15, or x equals to 15 minus 20, that is x equals to minus 5. So this is our required answer. So next question we have question number 4. So there are many questions, like we need to find here, find product AB, find product CA or AC. So out of those questions I have taken 2 questions here. So suppose we have 3 matrices, 2 cross 2 matrices A, B and C given in the question. Now we need to find here C, A plus B, right? So first we will be adding A plus B matrices. A plus B multiplied by C, this one we have to find, okay? So C matrices 1, 2, minus 1, 2. So matrix C is given. Now we will be adding these 2 matrices A and B, okay? So A matrix is given as 1, 3, 2, 1, and B matrix is given here minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, okay? So 2, 1, minus 1, 2, this one I will be keeping as it is. First I will add these 2 matrices, that is 1 plus minus 1, that is 0, 3 plus 2, that is 5, 2 plus 1, that is 3, 1 plus minus 1, that is 0, okay? Now we need to multiply these 2 matrices. So 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 3, okay? Direct multiplication now. Now row 1 with column 2, 2 into 5, 10, plus 1 into 0, 0. Next, minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 3, 6. Now row 2 with column 2, minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5, plus 2 into 0, 0. So what is our answer? Our answer is 3, 10, 6, minus 5. So this is our answer, okay? So C, A plus B, first A plus B we have added. After adding we need to multiply with this. So what was its order? 2 cross 2, this is also 2 cross 2. So the net answer which we will be getting, that is also will be of 2 cross 2, okay? So C, A plus B we have got. Now next question, you see we have to find A square. A square means A into A, that means matrix A is already given in the question. So we need to find here so question number 2, A square we have to find here, that means A square means here A into A, right? What is our A? 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. So row column multiplication, 1 into 1, 1, plus 3 into 2, 6. Now row 1 with column 2, 1 into 3, 3, plus 3 into 1, 3. Row 2 with column 1, 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 2, 2. Row 2 with column 2, 2 into 3, 6, plus 1 into 1, 1. So what will be our answer? 6 plus 1, that is 7. This is 6, 4 and 7, right? So this is our answer. So like this we can find multiplication CA, we can find multiplication of CB plus A. So first we will multiply, then we will add the matrices. So likewise any operation which is given, we can find easily from these three matrices. Okay, because now we know how to add the matrix, how to subtract matrices and how to multiply matrices, right? Row column multiplication we will do, that means row 1 when you are multiplying, do with other columns. Okay, like here 2 rows are there, so row 1 I multiply, 2 rows are multiplied with 2 columns. Row 1 first multiplied with column 1, row 1 multiplied with column 2, similarly row 2 with column 1 and column 2. So our next answer is 7647. Next question we have here, matrix A is given, we have to find K, so that Ka squared equals to 5A minus 21I. Okay, so this equation is given, from this equation we have to find the value of K. So K I have kept as it is, A squared, that means matrix A into A, equals to 5A, that means 5 matrix A, minus 21I, I is the identity matrix, that is of order 2, that is 1 0 0 1. Okay, so first I have multiplied, you see these two matrices, 0 into 0 0 plus 3 into minus 7, that is minus 21. Again row 1 with column 2, 0 into 3 0 plus 3 into 5 15. So likewise we have multiplied just now, row into column multiplication, we got this. 5 we need to multiply here with all the elements. In matrices, whenever a scalar quantity is multiplied by a matrix element, so it has to be multiplied by all the elements, right? So likewise 21 I have multiplied here. You see now after solving this one, what we will get here? Minus 21. Now when I will multiply K inside, so minus 21 into K, minus 21K, 15K, minus 35K and K into 4, that is 4K. Similarly 0 minus 21, that is minus 21, 15 minus 0, 15, minus 35 minus 0, minus 35 and 25 minus 21, 4. Now by equality of matrices, we will be equating the position of the elements. So minus 21K equals to minus 21, so minus minus got cancelled here and 21 got cancelled, K value is 1. Now if you compare with all the other positions also, you will be getting the value of K as 1 only. Okay, so these are the few questions. Other questions which you will see in the exercise, they are more or less similar questions, so you will be trying by yourself. Like you see, 3 matrices are given, you need to find AB, you need to find here BA, AC, CA. So just now we have solved one question from here, that is CA plus B and A square. So similarly you will solve, right? So here you see matrix A is given, matrix B is given, so that AB is not equals to BA, where I square equals to minus 1. So AB means AB you will multiply, right? In the next step you will find BA, you will find that both the matrices are not equal. Okay, these are the proving questions. So matrix A, B and C and D is given. State the order of each of the following matrix, that means A and B. What is its order? That is 2 cross 3 and this is 3 cross 3. Okay, so what will be the order? This will be 2 cross 3. Okay, so like this, just now we have solved few questions. So from there you have to find the order. Okay, so row column of first matrix must be matching with the row of second matrix, then the left row and column is the order of the resultant answer. So this matrix also you have to find product AB. A and B is given, so you need to multiply row and column wise. So you see more or less the questions are very similar to, like here A and B is given, so we will be finding 3A square minus 2B by multiplying A square